Hi, let's look at some simple movements that we can use to help awaken our hips. We're going to begin standing up, and then we're going to move to something that isolates the hips a little bit more, tall kneeling. Just shift your weight hip to hip. Now what we're trying to do is bend right here. So we're essentially applying the BLESS acronym. Take a big breath, breathe, lengthen, make sure we're efficient, relaxed. We're going to check for symmetry, right versus left. And we're going to use that core strength to keep that lengthened as we move the hip here. And come all the way over. So this is just a side-to-side movement. Now there are about 36 joints involved in that movement when you come up the feet, through the ankle, across the knee, and up into the hips. If we now start on our knees and do that same movement, we're really focusing on the hip joint. And if we want to make this a little bit more of a simpler exercise, we're going to put our knees closer together, and we're just going to lift enough that maybe we can put a sheet of paper or a book underneath. We want to make it more challenging. Spread the knees, come out. The ultimate goal is to get into this position where that heel basically lines up with the knee. And now we can start moving that way. Nice and controlled back. Bring it up, move that way. And what we'll do finally, typically in a clinic session, is we actually would have someone working with a kettlebell here and here. And what that does is kind of starts to load the postural muscles in that situation. But for now, what we're trying to get you to do at home is to just get a little more stable on a single knee.